You always need to look back and see how you're doing the very basic things. And this cohort really did a great job of forcing you to really look at the fundamentals of your business that got you where you are today.
The value we got from the one-on-one sessions, the guest speakers, and the interactions within the group was definitely worth the time and money spent.
I mean, I never even knew how much it cost me to make a bar soap. That was a big plus for me. So now I know if I'm making money or if I'm not.
So it helps me with my business because it's marketing principles. And so I'm in there to learn marketing.
The next week there's another book, and then the week after that there's another book, and there's like a financial planning package.
We've met some great people here, met other business owners who have similar concerns and questions in their businesses, and never really knew who or where to turn to. And this has answered a lot of questions that we never knew to ask.
Not only the leaders at the Covation Center, like Dr. Brady, and the different guest speakers he brought in, but also the other people that participated in the cohort. If you have questions, there's a lot of knowledge out there, and they were happy to help out.
So each week you have something to do, you have something to look forward to. And it's only a couple hours in the evening and once a week for 10 weeks.
We encourage any business looking to grow or build their business to join the cohort and just gain all the experience that they have to offer.